Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar by Smart Street AI Panchayat, conducted by TechHans AI Consulting Private Limited. This webinar is hosted on Smart Street AI Academy, which is one of the pillars of TechHans AI Consulting Private Limited. My name is Girish, and so this is the last series of webinar which we have been conducting on responsible AI in AI era. Today we are looking at ESG and sustainability, and I want to add a disclaimer that we have used AI to generate everything, whether it is infographic, audio clip, video clip, presentation, or flashcard, and it's a human AI collaboration. So let's get started. As you can see, the Leader's Guide to Responsible AI in ESG. Now, ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. That is one of the fundamental framework for sustainability. On the left-hand side, if you see the four core principles: explainability, audibility, human oversight, proactive bias mitigation, right? So these are all very much required, but the foundation of responsible governance, right? So training one large AI model can emit as much CO2 as 5 cars lifetime. So then there is an implementation roadmap, right? How do we assess and govern, map AI use cases against ESG goals, and establish ethics policies before deployment? So the Gardenia technologies like early adopters have cut report creation time by up to 75%, measure and iterate, right? Track AI's environmental footprint and use human feedback to continuously improve models. So we will cover all of this. Before we start, let's have a look at, or let's listen to audio clip.
This is the brief on the ROI of AI in sustainability reporting. For you on the executive board, AI is finally turning ESG from an administrative nightmare into a real strategic advantage. But cashing in means navigating a web of hidden risks. First, let's look at the bottom line. Right now, 55% of leaders are totally bogged down by ESG paperwork. But Gardenia Technologies teamed with AWS and used AI to slash report creation time by 75%. Mercedes-Benz also centralized their data to automatically hit 95% of the EU's strict reporting points. So you've got to ask, is AI just an expensive calculator, or the only way to actually free up your experts for real strategic work? Second, you absolutely must protect that value through regulatory compliance and proactive bias audits. With the 2024 EU AI Act and the upcoming ISO 42005 standard, governance is completely non-negotiable.
Okay. Now, before we go further, let's look at Smart Street AI community, which is by TechHans. As you can see, this is our website. And when you navigate here, you will see we have AI for business, AI powered CX, which we have recently added the new capability, where we are able to do AI contact center assessment for any business enterprise. Now, here we have partner program, but what I want to cover today, in the previous webinar, I have covered TechHans AI as a whole and then Smart Street AI Academy also. Today, I'm going to go to the community part just to get a feel of what exactly we do. And here, so this is Smart Street AI community. So what does it mean actually? Why we have created? It's an innovation platform. We call it as a platform because it brings together, right, citizens, startups and innovators, local authorities, academia and students, corporate partners, all of them. And there are three core focus we have for this. One is the project, that is for freelancer, consultant. The second one is trainer, which is for freelancer, trainer. And the third one is startup, like helping upcoming startup for freelancer founder. Now, what does all this do? So we run WhatsApp community. One is for project and one is for trainer. The startup part is we are dealing in person in our corporate startup launch office, which is given by IDFC Bank. And so there we actually meet founders and work with them for collaboration or future connections and things like that. But the project and the trainer aspect is a WhatsApp community, and we also have a weekly connect over Zoom where we look at some of the project aspect, AI project. Right now, we are starting a series on Kaggle project or on Dena and data-driven competition, so that we can work on those together. The trainer is something, as I mentioned, we have Smart Street AI Academy LMS, so where we actually invite freelancer trainer to conduct online training as a partner revenue share model. Of course, the area of training should be around AI and tech concepts, whether it is programming language, whether it is cloud, whether it is, let's say, contact center associated with AI tech, right? So AI powered CX, things like that. So that is what Smart Street AI community is all about. So we have captured some details. So like, for example, for project, how do we do that? What exactly this project means? And what's the life cycle? Very standard agile framework, especially for AI project life cycle. Some of the projects which we have internally done to understand, it's like a discovery process we have captured here. You can have a look at it. The trainer part is where we have actually the trainer partner trainer program, and it's the Smart Street AI Academy. So if you click here, you can go to Smart Street AI Academy and explore this. If you want to become an instructor, send a profile to us. We can have a demo session, and then we can decide. It's got all the information here, the courses which we are currently running, and we are planning to do much more in terms of as we go forward. You can see the webinar which is right now going on, and the past webinar which has been conducted. Some are free, some are paid, so you can explore them. There's something called digital products, which actually is right now uploaded, and these are all free. These are the video downloads generated by AI. And so that is what it is. So here we basically help to become smart trainer, and it's got all the information. Feel free to go through it. And then the startup, as you can see, we have captured our experience, what we have been going through so far. You can go through each of them. One of the fundamentals is like, of course, the sales pipeline, right? Because that's where every startup has to really step up. How the lead generation works, the prospect and the opportunity and customer. It is one of the fundamentals. This is actually the bread and butter, for both growth and expansion. This is the survival sales pipeline. And we have also looked at we have come up with a 5S framework for our internal evaluation, whether it is vendor, partner, investor, or freelancer. So we actually have a scoring mechanism, which we have captured here. You can go through it, whether it's strategy, structure, system, skill, and then staff. So how exactly they are prepared, and then we have a final scoring. So we look at 7 to 8. Obviously, not everybody will fit there based on different scenarios, but we try to see. And if it is 9 to 10, then it's fantastic, and work with them. And that is how this information is captured here. I wanted to cover this very briefly in this webinar. You can contact us here. As you can see, this will lead you to the contact page of the TechHans AI contact, which we have captured here. This is myself, Girish, Sibaram, and Raghu. Sibaram is CTO, Raghu is CEO. I'm handling the CEO aspect here. We have our LinkedIn profile, which is captured. Feel free to go through it, explore. This is our overall experience, what I bring, what Sibaram and Raghu brings to the table. And we are definitely here to help you on the product service side, leadership, AI technology, contact center, project team management, all that. So we definitely are looking forward to. And of course, you can also look at our YouTube channel. As you see here, we have a YouTube channel which has got some of the videos and highlights which we have been uploading here, so you can have a look at it. All these are also a part of webinar. We have created a highlight and uploaded here. So that's what I wanted to cover. And let's have a look at a video clip.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive and honestly pretty fascinating shift happening right now in the corporate world. We're looking at a survival guide of sorts for business leaders who are trying to navigate this incredibly complex intersection of artificial intelligence and sustainable ethical operations. AI is literally changing everything. But, when it comes to environmental, social, and governance standards, ESG, it brings both these incredible superpowers and some very real vulnerabilities. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's a quick look at our roadmap. We are going to cover the full spectrum today. We'll start with the ESG reporting crisis, move into AI and sustainability, look at the social and regulatory rules, unpack what we call the AI climate paradox, and finally, we'll wrap up with a practical, responsible AI framework. All right, part one, the ESG reporting crisis and the current blockers.
So let's look at the topic, responsible AI in ESG and sustainability, a practical guide for business leaders navigating the intersection of artificial intelligence and sustainable ethical operations. So here it is talking about the manual ESG era versus the AI ESG era. AI is transforming sustainability teams, freeing them from data drudgery to focus on decisions that drive real-world impact.